how to block internet access for a specific application in Windows. Whether you are using Windows 10 or 11, all the process is same also. This will be a short, easy, and to-the-point tutorial. So just remember the channel name Hascree and make sure to watch till the end. Like this is an application by the name Microsoft Edge, and I want to block internet of this app. So first of all, we will go to this search bar. We'll type Control Panel and press Enter. Here in this search bar, we will type Windows Defender Firewall. Tap on it. Then tap here on Advanced Setting, and a new pop-up window will be appeared like this. Then tap here on Inbound Rules. Then tap on New Rule. Here you can see Automatically Selected Program, and we'll press Next. Now this is the important thing, where we will give path to that specific application of which we want to block internet connection. Simply tap here on Browse and we'll select that application. As here you can see the path from here. Once found your required application, then tap on it and press Open. Then press Next, select, block the connection and press Next. Then select all these options and press Next. Here type any name you want to give this role and press on Finish. Restart your system and setting will be saved. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.